Okay, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a free program that you can use in order to earn passive income from your computer. Let's get straight into this, and this program is called Salad and it runs on Windows 11 and Windows 10. I will leave a link to the download page in the description. From there, you can simply go ahead and click on download to download the exe file. You can also go ahead and log in straight from this website in order to create an account. And this account is what's going to be used for your payout and for all your income to be saved there. I can show you guys my account here. I've been using it for a couple of months now and I have actually gotten a payout. I used PayPal and it does take a hefty fee with you needing to withdraw $5.99 in order to get a $5 payout. Meaning that you only get 83% of the money that you actually earn, but I guess that goes to the developers of Salad and every developer that makes this possible. But hey, as long as you're earning something, then I guess it must be worth it. It's kind of like a crypto miner, but it actually uses a lot of different technologies. Your computer can, for example, use its resources in order to compute some AI program or some big AI model that a company wants to train or something like that. Then they can ask Salad to be able to use their computers that are connected, and your computer might be one of them, and it will use, for example, your GPU or your CPU in order to run the AI models. But when it doesn't have something like that to do, it simply just mines the most profitable cryptocurrency. And this program isn't going to make you a millionaire. I've probably gotten a $5 payout like every couple of months, so it does take quite a long time. And I've had this running for quite a while every single day. And yeah, I just kind of have it on the setting where it automatically starts when the computer hasn't been used for a couple of minutes. So this is quite interesting for anybody that has a fixed electricity cost or doesn't have to pay it in any way. You can see my program right here. I have it to the setting pause until idle. This is something you can change in the settings right here, and you can change how long it will be idle until it starts mining. Or you can have it on some other setting, for example, chop now, which means that it'll just keep on chopping even if you're using your computer. From the performance tab, you can see what CPU or what GPU it is using and how much of it is also currently using. If you go over to the Salad website, on the top here, you can see what you have chosen. I'm pretty sure it asks you when you do the setup process. I have it to a PayPal balance, but if you go over to the store right here, you can see that there are a lot of different things that you can redeem it as, for example, MasterCard or Visa or even an Amazon card. So yeah, you can go ahead and browse around, and if you find something specifically interesting for you, then you don't have to do the PayPal balance necessarily. You can even donate your balance if you feel like it. So most of the time, this is going to just be mining on your computer, but the advantage of using this compared to some other mining program like NiceHash is that this one is a lot more simple to just go ahead and get started with. You don't have to create some sort of crypto wallet and connect your account and create a pool or join a pool. You simply have everything done for you, and all you have to do is download this one program and go ahead and get it set up. And from there, you can get a PayPal balance directly. But that also comes with a bigger fee because they're going to take more of a fee for everything that they have to do instead of you having to do it yourself. And you can use this on multiple devices at the same time as well. So if you have a couple of different computers, maybe you have an old computer with a GPU, then it is going to work pretty well with running this program. And keep in mind that you need to have virtualization enabled for this to run because it actually downloads a Linux distro on your computer and runs the miner through that. You can go over to the command prompt to see if virtualization is enabled, and as you can see for me here, it is enabled. If it's not, then you can go over to your BIOS, and that's going to look different for the computer or PC that you have. So I recommend you just search up how to enable virtualization with your computer. And when you've done that, then you're ready to use this program. So yeah, definitely do give this program a try if you're interested in earning passive income.